going to start off with the wet end disassembly of the Waukesha Universal Twin Screw PD pump. Start by taking an end wrench or socket for the correct size of your cover nuts. Break them loose. Remove the cover straight off the body studs. You're going to want to take the correct size socket for your screw jam nut. Put your breakover bar or your torque wrench in reverse. Twist the pump until your rotor blocking tool can lock inside the screws and break your torque free. Do it on both sides. Remove your rotor nut. Inspect the Belleville washer. Make sure the cup side is down and there is no damage. Remove your left and right screws simply by pulling away from the body. Remove them simultaneously. Set them on the bench. Product side facing up, left and right position. Remove your product seals. Inside you've got all three of your seals come out as a cartridge. Keep the left side with the left and the right side with the right. Once you've removed your product seals, inside on your shaft, there's an O-ring here. Remove with the pick that's supplied with your manual. Slide the O-ring off the shaft, set with your seals. Now we can remove the body by removing the body retaining bolt screws. We'll use a 3/16 Allen T handle. Slide the body straight off the studs. Set it with the product side down. On the back side of your body, you've got 3 bolts per seal housing. Remove those with a 9/64 Allen T handle. Once your bolts are removed, you push the seal collar down and onto the bench. Inspect your PD pump shaft in the O-ring areas for corrosion. Inspect your splines for wear. With your seals removed, inspect the inside of the body for corrosion as well. This completes the wet end disassembly of the Universal Twin Screw PD pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.